Hi, it's Narewski with the Alpha Group. I'm back with tip number 4 on how to be successful with video calls. And today we're going to talk about our surroundings. When you're on a video call, are you looking before you get on that call as to what your surroundings are looking like and what people on the other end of your call are going to see? So I'm going to be going around the house showing you a couple of places that might be good, might not be so good, so that you can get a better feel on when you're setting up for your next video call. So let's go. Sometimes we have to work out of our kitchen, but you're not going to leave a mess in your kitchen like this. So instead of it looking like this, make it look like this. Let's look at a few more shots of before and after areas that aren't quite presentable for your video meeting, and then a quick cleanup, and they are now presentable and usable for you for your next video meeting. Or to make it even simpler, if you can find simply a blank wall that you can have behind you, then you don't have to worry about any mess around and make it really simple. I'm going to show a tip I use that if I need to use this blank wall here, it's really easy for me to move the bookshelf. I'm going to show you why. It's my movers. I simply slide my bookshelf out of the way, use the blank wall, and then put it back when I'm done. Now, you might be thinking, I don't have any place that either isn't a mess or the lighting's not right, because we talked about lighting. I have a lot of areas that would be good, but because the light would come in behind me, I can't use those. Maybe you don't have a blank wall that you can use. There is another option. Zoom meetings have it where you can set up a background, so it's kind of a fake background. You choose where you want to be, and I know a lot of people use those. I hope these tips have helped, and I hope you can think of the next best place to hold your video call in your house. If you've missed any of the other tips, 1, 2, and 3, I have shared the links down below. 1 being on the lighting, 2 being on your camera angle, and 3 being on having eye contact. I will be sharing some more, but while you're waiting, go enjoy your next video call, and also make sure you have a great day.